Okay, so we removed the gasket here, and I tightened that up when I was inside, but I noticed that the exhaust is loose, so I'm going to have to trim that gasket and put it back in because I think it's just a big enough shim to tighten this. And the timing has been changed here, and because the other day when I was out running, the HM1 ran so long on so little fuel that I only half filled the fuel tank here. But with our new timing, let's give it a run. Okay. I don't think I moved the needle at all, and I've cleaned the plug. Let's try the choke. Okay. All right. There we go. Alright, well, it's running. We're going to let it run like that and see if we can get it adjusted a bit better.